Today we are going to see something another interesting topics. Let me share my screen and we'll jump into this right away. Give me a few seconds. Yes, so today we are going to talk about the blockchain governance models, right? So welcome back. And as I said, we are delving into the fascinating world of blockchain governance. In the blockchain governance, it is an crucial aspect that determines how decisions are made and protocols are maintained within the decentralized network. So let's explore this further. As you can see on the screen, it is showing the overall outline of the blockchain governance model. So blockchain network can adopt a different governance model to manage decision making process. On-chain governance involves making decisions directly on the blockchain through use of smart contracts and voting mechanism. And off-chain governance, on the other hand, relies on the external challenge to make decision making. And it often involves co-development team and community to discuss, right? So this image, it shows what is a technical and non-technical governance as well, right? So non-technical thing is about laws and regulations, individual behaviors, and technical is like protocol, security, business rules, which is done at the technical level, right? So these are the two things about blockchain governance model. So moving ahead, consensus is important aspect in blockchain governance. It's a fundamental concept in the blockchain governance, ensuring that all party agree on validity of the transactions and propose changes to the protocol. Different consensus mechanism we've already seen in our previous videos, such as proof of work, proof of stake, delegated proof of work, play a pivotal role in the blockchain, right? So that's what is mentioned here. So this slide also gives what is the consensus mechanism. So it is a technique to attain unified agreement on the state of network. It ensures verification and validation of the information being added to the digital ledger, and so that it's an authentic transaction, right? The consistent algorithm securely updates the blockchain data without need of intermediary. And moving further, the discussion right now we're going to do is on different mechanisms. So voting is a common method where holders can vote on proposal to influence the network future. Delegated governance allows holders to delegate their voting to the trusted representatives. Then streamlining decision making, and each mechanism has an advantage and a disadvantage, right? After this we will see some more things like yeah, we have already seen what are the different types of mechanisms. So I already mentioned about these proof of work, proof of stake, delegated proof of work, proof of capacity. So this topic itself is a huge topic, and to understand all these things, it will take hours to deep dive. So right now, just understand that these are the different type of proof of consensus, where the consensus is arrived, right? So on the right side, we can see that uh, there are the different consensus protocols. Like one is permissionless and one is permission, right? So all these things like POW, proof of work, proof of stake, etc., are permissionless, and BFT, non-BFT, that is Byzantine fault tolerance. This comes under permissioned consensus. So next topic we are going to talk about is the real world examples. That is, in real world, the governance takes various forms. Many blockchain establish foundations, organizations to oversee the development and community management. So decentralized autonomous organization DAO are also networthy examples where the stakeholders govern the organization actions through the voting and proposal, right? So this is the DAO. So you can see uh, how what are the components of DAO, and how this right side it is again showing the same thing. So this is a quick overview of what is DAO, decentralized autonomous organizations, and then we are going to see what are the key challenges we face, right? Because challenges are everywhere. So, designing effective and inclusive blockchain governance is not without challenges, as I said. Striking a balance between decentralization and efficiency is crucial. Ensuring broad participation and avoiding concentration of power are the essential considerations. Additionally, evolving governance models as network grows and addressing potential governance attacks are critical aspects to be taken care. So, blockchain governance is at the core of maintaining healthy and thriving decentralized ecosystems, and diverse governance models, consensus mechanism, and real-world examples we have explored today to see what is overall blockchain governance and how the things work. Right, when you're buying something, any crypto or something, how the backend works. So this is very important to understand. In the next day, we'll be diving into an interesting topic of tokenomics. So don't miss tomorrow's session. So it's going to be about learn how cryptocurrency and token play a vital role in incentivizing participants and driving network growth. So see you there. Thank you so much and see you tomorrow. Bye bye. Take care.